Hi and welcome back to part 3 as we look at this shaft support assembly, and up to now we've modded up both the base plate here and the bracket. I've also added in, we did kind of ran out of time in the last video there to add in the material, but I have added that on. You will perhaps remember that from the first video and can do the same. We have our next part now is the axle here, so let's crack on. Let's pop that over to one side, and once again let us take a new part. Okay, so there's a couple of ways we can model that up. We could be opting for a series of circles. So yeah, let's keep it simple. I'm going to pick up on the right plane this. Nope, I'm not changing my mind, just looking at the isometric on the drawing, so keeping in sync with it. I'm going to go for the prompt plane here, and I'm going to open up a sketch. I'm going to start off then with the large outside diameter. So let's go for my circle here, pop that on, start dimension, add that on, and this is a tolerance dimension, but the base dimension is 24, and with the 24 still selected, I can come over to my tolerance position here, same again, fit with tolerance. So this is the mating bit going into the hole on the bracket previously. So it looks like we're going to have H8 from the hole in the bracket to an S6. You'll notice that it's a lowercase s because this time it's on the shaft that will fit into the hole to define the type of relation, be it a close running fit, interference fit, transmission fit, so on and so forth. So this time we want the shaft, so let's drop that down. You'll see the letters are all, as I said earlier, lowercase for shafts and uppercase for holes. So we wanted an S6. We also want 2 decimal places, so we've got our 2 decimal places here. Let's have a look. I think that is pretty much okay. We can see on the screen that we've got what we want, to upper tolerance 0.05, lower tolerance 0.04. So I can go ahead and green tick on that. And once again, I'm just going to go to my cogwheel here. Oops, I don't know what that is up there. So I can get rid of that there somewhere. Oh. So I'm going to go to my options here. Going to change that up to NSI again, just keeping it consistent. Display like so. So I'm going to go to features. I'm going to go to extrude boss or base, and I'm going to keep this also mid plane, so that when I create one of the smaller diameter bits on the end, I can simply mirror it later on. So I'm going to make this 55, as I say, mid plane, and off it goes. And take an accept on that. Click on the front face here, open up another sketch. We'll create another circle then. We will add the dimension in, and that is a diameter 20 F7. So let's pop in our 20. Let's go for fit with tolerance. Let's go for the shaft. Let's go for our F7. There we go. 2 decimal places. Yes, it is. We've got everything we want there. Green tick. Features, extrude boss or base. So this is extruded out 11.5 millimeters. So we can green tick on that. We do have a little chamfer on the end. It's a 2mm chamfer. So fillet, drop down arrow, chamfer. Set the size to 2 and pick the edge, or in this case, because there's no holes or nothing on the surface, we can pick the faces quicker and easier, I guess. So I can pop in that, and that is going to give me like so. Now, let me just click. Yeah, 11.55. I think it's just my screen. It just looks like these are a little bit on the small side. I'll just check my chamfer here, 2mm. Cross extrude there. Oh, I've got mid plane on it. I thought it looked a bit small. Always good to check, so I really want to go blind in this direction, so I can just edit that nice and easily. Green tick, that looks a bit more like it. Okay, so the reason I started with the mid plane in this one was because I want to now mirror this rather than recreate it again. So if I go to my planes here and I select that front plane, you can see that's going to be in the middle of the initial shaft. So by pre-selecting that, I can come up and I can go to my mirror command. It'll be selected in here, the front plane. And then the features to mirror, well, that's going to be this plus the chamfer. Green tick, and we've got our finished article. So that one there was nice and easy. no material given on the drawing in this case, but if we go and have a wee look here, edit material, I'm sure we can find something appropriate for this here. Let's have a look, see. I think we'll just go for a 1020 code roll scale and apply that and close. There we go. And once again, I'll be saving that up, but just for expediency, you can join me in the next part as we go and have a look at the wheel. Thank you.